Yes, I got a degree in applied sciences for web design, associate's degree that is, and I had graduated from DAC and then got hired on here. I was in a different position. I hired in as a field service tech, and decided that I wanted to do a different position because I didn't want to travel so much, and ended up working out that I was able to become an assistant integrations tech, and which I really enjoyed what I'm doing now because I actually kind of get more hands-on, more involved, and actually doing kind of what I went to school for. Basically, a typical day would be checking for shorts in the sign after a cabinet assembler wires it, and making sure everything is good and okay, and then they will install our digits into the sign. Then after that, we'll do another high pot to make sure that there's no shorts or anything like that. And then after that, we'll go through the process of turning our sign on, which will, if it's radio, we'll make sure that the radios are set to certain network numbers. That way, there's no interference for that. And also, if they're you got a modem, we'll install with the modem. We got to make sure all the pieces are working for that sign. Actually, my old youth pastor, he was a computer programmer, and he kind of showed me some things. And after he kind of showed me and what it was all about, I was like, well, this is really interesting. I would kind of like to get into this and do this. And after getting into it, I realized it's a very broad field, and that you can pretty much do anything with a technical degree. I think first of all, you want to make sure you get a job that you're going to love, because that makes a big difference. And second, you're going to want to pick a field that is needed. I mean, there's a lot of fields that you're going to go to school and get a degree and spend a lot of time in, and you're still not going to have a job. So you kind of want to make sure that the jobs are out there for that specific field or that degree. Well, I would hope to either eventually become maybe a supervisor at some point, or even move into the IT department or software, because that's more specifically what my degree is for. So either one of those, I mean, that'd be really what I'd be looking for. There is some good jobs here. I mean, you just really got to really look for them. I mean, a lot of people, don't realize that, but I mean, I found this job, and I didn't really realize how good of a job this could have been for me, and it's the best job I've ever had.